Hi guys, I'm Niveta. In this video, we are going to see second part in difference equation. Already we have seen type 1 in first part. Type 1 is if it is in the format of ux plus 1 plus a into ux is equal to b, where a is equal to minus k. Okay, so here the thing is minus constant will come, and when the b value is 0, it comes under type 1. Okay, here we are going to discuss about type 2, which is ux plus 1 plus a into ux is equal to b. Okay, where here a value is minus k. Okay, minus will come, and here the b is equal to constant, which is not equal to 0. In type 1 we have seen b is equal to 0. Okay, so here we are going to see b is not equal to 0. Okay, then what I'm going to do is divide this three terms by using k power x plus 1. So ux plus 1 divided by k power x plus 1 minus what will come is actually, so first substitute the thing here. Okay, so what will come is ux plus 1. Instead of k I have to substitute instead of a I have to substitute minus k. Minus k into ux is equal to b will come. So I am just dividing it by k power x plus 1 divided by k power x plus 1 divided by k power x plus 1 will come. So here this k and this k will cancel. So when the power as k power x plus 1 means, it means k power x into k will come. Okay, therefore the k will get cancelled. So you'll get the remaining as ux plus 1 divided by k power x plus 1 minus ux divided by k power x is equal to b divided by k power x plus 1 will come. Okay, so see here, it is in the format of x plus 1 minus the before term, right, the successive coefficients. So we can write this two term as delta ux divided by k power x. Okay, we can write these two terms as delta of ux divided by k power x, which is equal to, I'm just converting this k power x plus 1 as k power x into k. Right, I am converting this k power x plus 1 as k power x into k. Right, so it's like b divided by k is constant. Okay, here in the numerator we will have this b, and denominator we will have this k. So here we are having k power x, right? So 1 divided by k to the whole power x I can write. And then bring this delta this side. So it will become delta inverse. In the next step, we will get ux divided by k power x is equal to delta inverse of b by k into 1 by k to the whole power x will come, right? Then the next step would be like a power x formula is delta a power x divided by a minus 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, here I'm having, it is in the format of a power x, right? 1 by k to the whole power x. So I'm going to write it like delta a power x means 1 by k power x divided by a minus 1. So 1 by k minus 1 I'm writing. Okay, remaining every time, so I'm just keeping it as it is, and then I'm cancelling delta inverse and delta. Then take LCM, you will get it as 1 minus k by k. When you cancel this delta and delta inverse, you will get it as plus c, constant here. Okay, and then I'm just reciprocating it. So what I will get is ux divided by k power x is equal to b by k into k will go to the numerator, and this 1 by k to the whole power of x will come, divided by 1 minus k will come, plus c. So this 2k will get cancelled. So you will get it as b divided by 1 minus k into 1 by k to the whole power of x plus c will come. Okay, so then here in the left hand side I'm having ux divided by k power x, right? So here also I'm having k power x. So I'm just taking LCM. So you will get, here also you will get the k power x. So what it will be like is b into b divided by 1 minus k into k power x plus c into k power x, okay, divided by k power x, because while taking LCM I'll get it like this, right? So here in both terms, in denominator I'm having k power x. I'm just taking it common outside, so I will get it as b divided by 1 minus k plus c into k power x. This k power x will get cancelled. So ux is equal to b divided by 1 minus k is equal to c into k power x. So this is how we are arriving the solution. Okay, this is how, if some problem comes, means we have to do like this. So here, based on the first type, we are going to solve the equation, difference equation. Ux plus 1 plus a ux is equal to b is given. So here the value of a is equal to minus 3, the value of b as 0. Okay, so when you substitute, you will get it as ux plus 1 minus 3 into ux